Departure, good evening, Air France 51 November Heavy, approaching 3000 and heading north.
France 51 November Heavy, Potomac departure radar contacted, evening climb and maintain 10, 10,000.
Climb 19, 10,000, Air France 51 November. Jules, Air France 51 November Heavy, we just had a almost a midair collision with a drone at 2,800 feet.
France 51 November Heavy, I'm sorry, say that again, you had what at 2,500 feet?
We had just encountered a drone.
Okay, Air France 51 November Heavy, roger, as long as you don't think you hit it, let me know. If you're able to, turn right direct to Riggins.
Yes, we are able, Air France 51 November.
Okay, Air France 51 November Heavy, thank you. And do you happen to know the color of the drone and the direction it was headed?
It was very fast, so hard to say, but I would say white and gray.
Okay, roger, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Do we turn to Riggins?
Yes, sir. Air France 51 November Heavy, turn right direct to Riggins.
Right to Riggins, Air France 51 November.
Alaska 737, you caution a drone was reported around 2,800 in the Leesburg area, red-white color. Air France 51 November Heavy, do you happen to know the clock position it was from when you encountered it?
Sorry, say again for Air France 51 November?
Air France 51 November Heavy, when you encountered the drone, do you happen to remember the clock position, like your 1 o'clock, or was it like to your left, or what direction it was?
Yeah, it was about noon and 1 o'clock, and opposite direction, I would say, but it's hard to say.
Okay, Air France 51 November Heavy, thank you for all the stuff, thank you, and you can contact departure 125.65, 125.65. Have a good night.
2565, good night, thanks for your help. Bye.